You filed this lawsuit in March. At that time, the Solicitor General of the United States was Elena Kagan, who's now on the Supreme Court. She was sworn in sometime in August. When this makes its way to the Supreme Court, can she be a justice on it, or must she recuse her? What would be the argument, either way?
Well, I'm not sure what it'll be. Obviously, I think that she has some problems potentially with this, particularly because of the severability issue. You know, the judge today was very careful in his ruling on that question, and he pointed out the history of this, and he made his decision because the individual mandate is so essential, in part because the government's admissions. They admitted that the individual mandate requiring you to buy a health insurance policy or pay a penalty was the core, and that the insurance provisions, at the very least, fell by the wayside and could not be sustained without it. And then he went on to find that the rest of it couldn't stand either. So I think that Justice Kagan has some issues potentially there, but I think you'd have to examine them in detail to see if she's going to be recused or not before this is heard. But you're right to question that, Greta, because it's going to be a close decision, probably a 5-4 decision.